Hello again, everyone. It's Rob from Stunt Society Bullies, showing another update video. Letting everyone see the pups. As you can see, they're doing really well. Playing tug of war. We have one pup available. Mark, I know you wanted to see your boy. That's him there playing tug of war. There's a pic of Utah. There she goes. Got some movement. See if we can get her to chase something. There they go. So again, we have one more pup available. You can contact us at area code 385-519-9409, or we could be contacted on our website, stuntsocietybullies.com. Yeah, they're having a lot of fun. And this is at 5 weeks. There'll be 6 weeks tomorrow. My guy Charles in Hawaii. That's your male there. There he is. Yeah, that's your boy, Charles. Alright, everyone, signing off. Everyone have a great week. Bye.